Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to our first day back. Well, sort of first proper day back. Are you back teaching today? Are you back on it? If you are, Fit Pros, I'm doing a very easy to follow back to basics week here every day, usually around this time, and I'll create the class plans as well so that you can check them out. I'm going to do a lift lean back to basics today using a kettlebell. I've just taught this in my Jumpstart program, which you can join. Comment Jumpstart if you want me to coach you for the next 4 weeks. You could use body weight for all of these. You could use a light kettlebell. For the purpose of this video this morning, I'm just going to do a Tabata, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds recovery. Actually, I would do a 50 seconds on, 10 second recovery, 20 exercises, and I would go lower body, upper body, core, lower body, upper body, core, all the way through with different exercises. So if you want the class plan, comment, actually I'll put the comment word here, B2B, back to basics. That's what we are up for this week, lots of back to basics. So this is the plan. I'll teach you a few this morning, see what you think. I'm using music from Pure Energy Music app, and I've gone for a basic Tabata, and it's 128, so not too quick. And such a good turnout for the Jumpstart. Okay, so just think basics in a regular class scenario, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Just for this session, I'm only doing 20 seconds to give you an idea. So, exercise 1. All it would be is a basic squat, technique, using your glutes, keeping the head up. If you're teaching this online, maybe you could record some technique videos for everybody. There's my first one. Good. Okay, second exercise. I would do that for 50 seconds. I'm going to take a seat for this one. Turn the kettlebell over. Okay, feet together. Oh, I've got some sticky tape on the shoe. That looks good, doesn't it? Here we go. And a basic front shoulder press, focusing on keeping the back straight, the head up, the elbows in tight. So second exercise. Oh, we loved it today. So what are you all teaching today? Are you back to normal, back on it? One more, unless it's snowing maybe where you are. Third exercise will be a core. Hey Sam, good morning. What are you teaching today in the studio? Third exercise would be a side bend here. Again, 50 seconds. So it's a very simple, straightforward circuit. You could teach this face to face. You could teach it online. It could be a short 15-20 minute, or you could make this the full 60-minute workout. Now remember, we went to the left there. Now let's go back to legs. Dirty 30 dumbbells, yay! Good morning, gang. Now, second lower body exercise. I'm going to go straight into a deadlift. So again, you may have to do some technique work before. Again, maybe if you're onboarding everybody with an onboarding video, you could show some technique here. Or this could make your social media content. Good work. We go to upper body next. So we're going to do an upright row. Good morning. And has anyone else taught yet, apart from me and Nikki? Upright row. So just again, basic exercises, basic push-pull that everyone can do. There we go, we lift. So hands under your chin, and the elbows are high for this, on 4. And recover, good. Now we want to do our core exercise next. So I'm using my step. Exercise 6. Holding on to the top. Bend your elbows, bend your knees, and pull on the step, and do a really small reverse curl. Again, whenever I see people do this in class, you've really got to give them good teaching points so that they're not swinging the legs. Control it, and just lift the tailbone off the floor. Tiny squeeze at the top and release. Good. We come up, we go back to lower body. So I'm going to turn the bell over, elbows in. We will do a side to side squat. There we go. That's it. Try and keep the elbows in tight. That's it. All the way down. Good morning. Take a 10-second rest. And again, if you want the class plan, comment B2B. And there we go. There's your legs. Good stuff. Let's go to an upper body exercise. I'm going to do a halo on this one. So The kettlebell's going to start at the right hip. We're over the top and then back. This is just the type of workout the doctor ordered. And if you haven't already been to Aldi and you need some new kit, get your class members to head over to Aldi. The middle aisle is full of equipment. There we go. So hopefully that's given you some quick ideas for your lift lean class. Ooh. So if you want the class plan B2B, and I'll write the whole 30-minute workout up with the music suggestions from Pure Energy Music app, for those of you that use the app. And if you want to join me for 4 weeks on the January Jumpstart, you get a class every day, nutrition coaching, check-ins and wellbeing workshops. Comment Jumpstart and you can join today. If you're a fit pro and just want to come and have a nose, get some ideas, or you fancy a bit of a reset yourself, no problem, you are very welcome. We've got 100 of us in the group, all pushing forward for January Jumpstart, so you're really welcome. Level 3 Pilates, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10th, 11th and 12th. So if you want to do that teacher training, just comment and I'll send you all the details for that. You don't need any prerequisites. You can jump on. It is 10 till 5 on Zoom if you want to get your level 3. And you know, the best thing now about the level 3, which is really cool, the anatomy and physiology was the bit that always puts everybody off, not the learning. But Active IQ now have changed. Hi, Joe. Active IQ have changed how they do the level 3. So when you sit the level 3 anatomy and physiology paper, it's an open book one now, which is so much better. You know, you can read the information, retain the information, and then write the information in your exam. So that makes it so much easier. Since that's happened, we've had 100% pass rate. 100%! Because it was always the anatomy and physiology. If anybody ever failed and had to retake, it was always that. And now that's makes it so much easier. So you can focus on the teaching, the bit that everybody loves doing the most. So that's this weekend if you want to join us. Next weekend we have got, next Wednesday, we've got Champneys, our retreat day, Kelly and I. You're welcome on that, the 17th. And then at the end of the month, we've got 2 big qualifications. We're running the level 3 long-term health condition, which I think is going to be huge in 2025. And we're also doing the level 4 Pilates with Tom. So if you want either of those 2 courses, get in touch and I can give you all the information. Or if you want to chat about them, if they're right for you and where you're going with your career, just let me know. Good morning, Carol. Hope you're well. All right, gang, have a fantastic day today. If you're all back teaching, enjoy, inspire everyone, sparkle and shine brightly. And if you're in my supporter group, I'll see you in there in a minute. We're going to do some self-care for Fit Pros and then just setting the tone for January. All right, gang, see you in a minute. Have a lovely day. And don't forget to comment B2B if you want the class plan.